Good morning over here at Weir's Buick GMC, Route 1 in Arundel, Maine. Just wanted to do a quick walk around video of this 2017 GMC Terrain Sle all-wheel drive that we have here on the lot. It is still available. It's got a little over 70,000 miles on it. It's finished in this very nice black metallic paint. Go ahead and take a look at the interior here. You can see you have your black and light gray cloth seats. Driver door panel, you get your power windows, mirrors, and locks. You also have your power driver seat controls down there, as well as heated front seats in this vehicle. Go ahead and step on inside here. You have some functionality on the wheel as well. To the left side, you have your cruise. To the right side, you have your functions for your hands-free calling, as well as your audio system. Shot of the gauge cluster here, 70,321 miles on this Terrain. Over to the center stack here, you have your audio system with your radio, your Bluetooth phone, as well as your backup camera. Move down here, you have your audio controls, button to hook up your Bluetooth phone, tone, stuff like that. Got your climate control functions. You got a little storage cubby down here, and another one with USB charge port in there. Got your shifter with some cup holders. You have your eco mode, as well as your traction control. Go ahead and take a look up here. You have your controls for your power sunroof and your lighting controls. Go ahead and take a look at the sunroof here. And you got your center console right down there. Go ahead and take a look at the rear seat. Plenty of legroom for your passengers back here. This seat also does slide forward and back. There's a little bar in there. Just pull that and it goes forward and back. So if you have some taller front passengers, you can put the rear seat back and they can have some more legroom back there. There's also a charge port right down in that center console. Then we'll go ahead and take a look at the cargo area. So you can see plenty of storage space in the back of this Terrain. These seats also do fold flat down with the pull of those levers there. And you do have some all-weather floor mats. If you want to take a look at this Terrain, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Direct line in is 207-496-1760. Thanks for looking and have a great day.